Cardi B and Cuban Doll's beef has been reignited. For those that don't remember, there was beef in 2018 over Offset allegedly being unfaithful with Cuban Doll. Cuban Doll denied any involvement, and eventually the beef died out. But that all changed today when Cuban Doll hopped on Twitter and started posting subliminals. At least that's how Cardi took it. Cuban Doll posted this: "I pray a man don't marry me just to cheat on me. That's next level OD disrespect." Followed by this: "I could never be inspired by someone I don't listen to. Simply stop trying to force that on me." Clearly, Cardi felt some type of way because she tweeted this: "The fact I got DMs of bees asking me when my tape drops. They be quick to forget, but the DMs don't." And here's Cuban Doll's response to that: "You can't be mad I said not inspired. DF, that's weird." Then she says, "Don't talk about nothing from 2017. DF, lame ass B." Followed along with this photo of Nicki Minaj. Now this definitely seems like she's trying to throw shade. Then the tweets kept going. Cuban Doll posted this: "Girl, SDFU. We never had a problem. You dry tweeted that ish about me. Me and you ain't been cool. Offset was trying to F me." Then she posted this: "Don't play with me, ho. Don't play victim. That's what we not finna do." Then she says, "Bully, don't try to attack me over clothes." Then Cardi enters the chat. She says, "You started this whole ish with those two now deleted tweets being shady about the inspiration and then my husband. Now that I respond, I'm wrong." Then Cardi responds to Cuban about her being bullied over clothes. She says, "It was never about clothes. I never shaded you. You put these two tweets up and then deleted them, and now you're talking about I bullied you." Then Cardi posted this: "You say all this now, but you said something different when I asked you about it directly. Where was his energy then? Don't play tough now. I see we didn't leave looking for clout in 2021. Along with this conversation between the two back in 2018. You can see here Cardi asks, "Is that threesome is true?" Cuban responds with, "I never knew about it until today. That's not me texting him if you read the messages." Then Cardi asks, "Who he texting?" Cuban responds with, "I don't know." She's basically just trying to find out who he was texting, and clearly Cuban had no idea. Then Cuban Doll retweets this tweet that says, "But you the one super pressed over the next B. Ask yo blank who the other B is. Those insecurities eating you up." Then Cuban Doll tweeted this: "You asked if the message was real. I said it looked fake, which it did, and I still didn't know Offset wanted to F till it came out because he was effing my friend." Then she continues with this: "This is embarrassing for you. Over a look B. This is about your husband." Then Cardi comes through with some receipts and posted this: "This is you as well, like I said. Don't try to act victim because I replied to those deleted tweets you was directing at me. Just tell your label to pay me for the promo." And here's that video Cardi posted.
Offset breakup, you're right in the middle of it. Is it true? Did you hook up with Offset?
No, I don't know him. I never spoke to him. I haven't never had no conversation with him. He wasn't actually texting me.
Then Cuban Doll had something interesting to say. She said, "Girl, you know I was paid to clear his name." Then she goes on to say this: "What is this proving? Who are you trying to convince? Your husband tried to F me and I'm still not inspired." The end. Then Cardi says this: "First you said the girl was no longer your friend, then it turned to he was effing her. Now it's he was trying to F with you? You can't even keep up with your own lies. Show me the receipts. You started this, yeah, asking me, what does it prove? Honey, you need this moment, not me." Then she says, "And I never said you were inspired. I personally didn't care, but it's clear it hit a nerve because it got your little Twitter fingers popping." Then Cuban Doll retweeted this: "Now hold on, why isn't the Shade Room posting?" And somebody said they being paid, but the Shade Room did end up posting it. Then things kind of simmered down. Cuban Doll started deleting some of her tweets, and Cardi retweeted this: "This B really tried to come for Cardi B. Then delete the receipts, then play the victim. Child, every day is cloud dramatics for some people." Then she said this: "Deleting those tweets, it's bad for business and I'm done helping out the needy. I want to apologize to my fans. I know y'all get upset when I give attention to germs." Then this was Cuban Doll's final response: "Don't need no attention from no rat-ass hoe." A lot of people feel like Cuban Doll is just clout chasing. And people feel like she's trying to get views for music she's about to drop. So I guess we'll just have to see if the beef continues. I personally feel like they're doing a little too much. I feel like they're too grown for this. But like they say, there's no such thing as bad publicity. But yeah, I'd like to know what you guys think about this feud. Do you guys think this is the end? Do you think they'll keep going at it? Please let me know down in the comments. we've reached the end of the video, guys, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.